Hey tech fans, welcome back to Teckwise, your go-to channel for the latest updates in mobile and tech. Today, we're diving into the exciting news about Samsung's One UI 7 update powered by Android 15. This update promises a refined user interface, enhanced privacy and security, improved multitasking, optimized battery performance, and new customization features to personalize your phone. Samsung has announced that the stable version of One UI 7 will roll out shortly after the launch of the new Galaxy S25 series, which is scheduled for January 22. The One UI Beta 3 is already available for the Galaxy S24 series, so the official release is just around the corner. Um, Let's take a look at the list of devices that will receive the One UI 7 update. First, we have the Galaxy S series, where the S21, S21 FE, S22, S23, and Story 4 series, including their FE models, are confirmed to get the update. These flagship models are Samsung's top priority, ensuring they'll be among the first to experience Android 15. In the foldable lineup, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, 4, 5, and 6, along with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, 4, 5, and 6, will also be eligible for One UI 7. Samsung's flagship devices continue to receive top-tier support, and the foldables are no exception. For tablet users, Samsung is updating several models, including the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, S10 Ultra, Tab C8 series, Tab S9 series, and Tab A9/A9 Plus, along with the Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro. When it comes to the mid-range Galaxy A, M, and F series, a wide range of devices will be updated, including the A6 AF14, A24 AF54, A54, and the M14, M34, F14, among others. However, it's important to note that some older models, such as the A52, A72, and A52s, won't be receiving the update. While there are unofficial ways to install One UI 7 on older devices, like the Galaxy S9, using root methods, it's not recommended. Rooting can cause performance issues, disable key apps like Samsung Health and Samsung Pass, and void your device's warranty. It's always best to stick with official updates for a smoother and more secure experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech updates here on Teckwise.